wanted soda, but just didn't want to run to the store? What if you could make your own at home? Well, now you can. Introducing the Sodastream. To make it work, you need your bottle full of cold water and whatever type of beverage you want to mix into it. It comes with or it has available, I should say, a number of varieties. We're going to try their cola. Now you're going to screw this onto here. Okay, you push this 3 different times and you'll hear a buzz. That's buzz number 2. And that's buzz number 3. And now we're going to pour our flavorant into the bottle. Apparently, we need to do that much, much slower, so we don't do that. After cleaning up our mess, it does say we should gently shake it back and forth, get that flavorant all throughout, and of course pour. Wow, it foams quick. And enjoy. It's actually pretty darn good. Well, there you have it, the Sodastream.